Let's go to Tom Piotrowski over at CommSec for a look at the markets. How are we opening up this morning, Tom?
Pete, we'll see a modest improvement at the start today. The futures are pointing to a little bit of an improvement at the kickoff. We've seen a bit of a patchy performance as far as Wall Street was concerned. One of the reasons being is that a key measure of manufacturing activity was surprisingly strong. It's the Empire State measure of manufacturing activity. Looks at what's going on in the northeast of the US. Had quite a remarkable improvement over the course of the last month and was the first positive outcome in about 5 months. So what that did was push long-term interest rates higher, and that created some headwinds for stocks. But all of the three indices were up by about 1/3% at the end of the session. On the local front today, it's an important day for the fact that we'll get the minutes from the last RBA policy setting meeting. We'll get a look under the bonnet of the conversation that had the RBA put rates on hold for the first time in 10 meetings. So that will be a curiosity as much as anything else, because we'll really be waiting for the inflation figures next week to get a gauge of what the RBA will be doing at the next meeting. On top of that, we've got Chinese growth figures out today, Pete. So they will be important when the world's slowing down in terms of activity. It looks to China to do some heavy lifting. We've seen some very encouraging figures lately when it comes to consumer spending through the earnings numbers of LVMH, Louis Vuitton, Moet Hennessy and Hermes, which showed some stellar sales numbers driven by the Chinese consumer. So hopes are high that these figures could be quite encouraging today.
Okay, Tom Piotrowski, thank you.